Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Volvo XC90 parking brake. A properly adjusted parking brake is crucial for safety and vehicle longevity. We will walk through the process step by step, covering both the console and wheel-level adjustments. This guide will help you achieve optimal parking brake performance, ensuring your vehicle remains secure when parked on inclines or flat surfaces. Let's get started. First, locate the parking brake adjustment mechanism, typically found under the center console. You'll need to remove the side panel, often near the driver's right thigh, to access it. Ensure the parking brake pedal is fully released. Use a wrench to turn the barrel adjuster, which modifies the cable tension. This initial adjustment sets the overall slack in the parking brake system before fine-tuning at the wheels. Next, safely lift and support the rear of your Volvo XC90 on jack stands, then remove the rear wheels. You may need to remove the brake caliper and rotor to expose the parking brake shoes. Locate the star wheel adjuster through an access hole. Turn the star wheel to expand the shoes until the wheel just begins to drag. Then, back off the adjuster by 3 to 5 clicks to prevent constant rubbing. Repeat for the other side. Once both rear wheels are adjusted, reinstall the brake components and wheels, torquing lug nuts to specifications. Lower the vehicle and test the parking brake. The pedal should engage fully, holding the vehicle, within 2 to 5 clicks of travel. Drive slowly in a safe area to confirm there is no brake drag. Congratulations, your Volvo XC90 parking brake is now properly adjusted for reliable and safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.